Hey there! You ever feel like nothing is fun anymore? Like everyone else is having the time of their life while you're just stuck, not really feeling anything? If you're nodding right now, then you need to stick around because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. But trust me, you might just be too late to catch it if you don't act fast. In today's video, we're diving deep into something that's been quietly taking over. Something that could be the reason you're feeling disconnected from all the hype around you. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because you're not going to want to miss this. Now let me ask you this. When's the last time you truly enjoyed something, like really enjoyed it? I mean, let's face it, everything feels meh, right? Everyone's raving about the newest trends, but somehow you're just not feeling it. I see it everywhere. TikTok's blowing up with new challenges, the latest gaming craze, influencer this, viral that, but you're just over here wondering, what am I missing? And here's the kicker. You might actually be missing something big. First of all, it's not your fault. You're not the only one. There's this growing sense of apathy in our world right now. People feel like they're chasing things that no longer matter, and the whole cycle has left us with this empty feeling. It's the May generation, and yeah, I get it. You scroll through social media, watch people do the craziest things, but you're not even fazed anymore. But have you ever stopped to think, what's really going on? There's a trend happening right now, and you're probably the last to know. Everyone's talking about it, whether it's in self-improvement, mindset shifts, or tech advancements. The world is changing, and it's shifting so fast that if you're not on top of it, you might get left behind. Here's the thing. We've all gotten so used to instant gratification, constant dopamine hits, that we've forgotten how to truly experience things. It's why we don't feel fun anymore. It's why you're scrolling through your feed and yet still feel empty after an hour. And guess what? This isn't just about you or me. It's a societal issue that's becoming harder to ignore. But here's the juicy part. There's a way out, and it's not what you think. What if I told you that the key to getting that spark back, feeling excited about life again, is all about finding the right balance? It's all about realigning your focus and reconnecting with things that genuinely bring you joy. You've got to stop chasing what everyone else is doing and start living by your own standards. I'm going to show you how to tune out the noise, rediscover your passions, and get back into the swing of things before it's all too late. But listen up, you can't wait forever. You might think you've got time, but this trend is moving fast. If you wait too long to jump in, you'll find yourself stuck in this loop, watching life pass you by while others get ahead. The moment is now. Don't get left behind. So don't waste any more time. Join me and let's break through the noise together. I'm telling you, this could be the start of a whole new chapter for you. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below if you felt this way before. I want to know if you're ready to break out of this funk. Hit the bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Before you go, check out my next video where I'll be talking about specific steps you can take to finally start feeling like you again, before it's too late. Trust me, you're going to want to be a part of this journey. Don't miss out. You deserve to feel alive again. You deserve to feel that spark. And it's not over yet. Let's rediscover the fun before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.